Nandito tayo guys sa La Salsa. Ito talaga yung store na binibilhan ko ng mga Filipino food. So, since nadaanan namin siya from the beach, why not mag-stop by tayo dito, 'di ba? Sabi ni Daddy. Kasi gusto niyang bumili ng cassava cake. Tapos, yeah, we're gonna see if they have some Jeprox dried fish also. So, bibili din tayo. Ayan, kasi last na ito. Thank you, Lord.
Nothing else. Just talking about something else.
Nandito kami guys sa La Salsa. Yan, ano pa yung food nila, para hindi lalangawin. Yeah.
Wala.
Over there, they don't have. Yeah. So, sabi ng asawa ko, wala daw silang ito yung mga available nila na dried fish. Oh, this one is okay. $4.29. I wonder if this has, no, it doesn't have any, scales. Meron silang ano tawag dito? Spinach. Sweet. Oh. Tapos nila.
Every time I'm touching one, there's always bugs flying around. I think one just tried to bite me.
Ay, meron sila ditong mga tea. Ay, ano ito? Seaweed with green tea.
I like the smell over here.
Yeah, it smells good.
Too bad
That's mommy's smell.
Oh, I like the smell.
Yeah. Let's take a look over here what they have. Oh, meron silang singkamas. Tapos meron silang radish. So dito tayo sa mga seasoning guys. Ayan. So I'm gonna get just one pancit bihon. Wait, are there other pancit bihon? Ayan. I'm getting lumpia Shanghai mix. And look at this. I love cooking ginisang munggo. So kukunin ko ito. Halika dito na. Then over there in this side, meron sila dito mga Chinese or Korean stuff, whatever. Look at that pancit. Nandun na si Daddy. Wala kasi silang Daddy's just looking for cassava cake. Yeah. Wait, sandali lang. Let me see if they have the chili, what do they call it? Fried chili. Dito. Parang wala naman. Dito. Yes, we're gonna buy some putong bato guys. Nandito kami sa Filipino store. Yeah, kasi wala yung hinahanap namin doon sa La Salsa. So hopefully meron pa sila guys. Medyo gabi na. So let's see. Look, ito ang binili ng asawa ko. This is $28. And then this one is $10. 16.
I think it's at 15. Oh no, I think he said 10.
Okay, and then this is $4.75. Yeah, so we're gonna look for the dried fish. Oh, they have this na ba? Meron din palang fish lumpia. We like the chicken. They also have fish lumpia. I guess they use the tuna.
I think that's $28 too for them.
Yeah. Okay, halika na lang.